Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who took advantage of the Signal sale last week and signed up to our trading Signal services. We had a record number of you signing up last week, so once again a huge thank you from everyone here at Daily Market Movements and myself. If you were unable to take advantage of that, don't worry, you can still join our trading Signal group. We only charge a very small fee of $199 for a year's membership. So if you would like to join our team, then just go and visit our website, www.dailymarketmovements.com. I'm going to leave the website link below this video in the description. So in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see today, we are trading in the green. Currently find ourselves at 9,567. You know, we had Trump have that press conference about China on Friday, which I all told you about, and you know, he was expected to say some pretty bad stuff, as I mentioned. However, Wall Street didn't think that it was as bad as it could have been, because he didn't mention cancelling the phase 1 deal. He didn't mention tariffs, and this is because the US economy is in a weak position. You know, they haven't really got the artillery that they did have last year when the trade war was going on, because obviously their economy was booming, and now because of the coronavirus, they're slightly in a much worse off position. So they need to be very careful, and of course Trump has to be careful as well, because his election's coming up, so he did tread the waters very carefully. However, you know, the fundamentals are still there. Do be wary, but you know, this doesn't change anything. I still said if there was a dip in today's session, it is to be bought, because we are going to the all-time high at 9,751. It's only a matter of days. We're just roughly around about 200 points away, around 180 points away from trading at the all-time high for the Nasdaq 100, which is remarkable because it just represents this huge V-shaped recovery. You know, we had the fastest decline in history. A lot of traders were shocked. I wasn't really shocked about this. You know, 30% in just under a month. You know, back in the day when the markets used to sell off, there was no such thing as this, as the you know, the technology that exists in today's society just didn't exist back then. You know, the news did not travel as anywhere near as fast. When now you have the internet, you have all these news apps and stuff like that. So this is what created so much fear in the market. We had this huge sell-off. And then, you know, once the panic had kind of finished and the economies have started to reopen, as you can see, companies have started to reopen their businesses. And as you can see, the Nasdaq 100 has climbed, and we're now trading at all-time high. This is definitely expensive. You know, do not get me wrong. I'm not a buyer up here. I will only buy big dips, but with very small positions. I'm not investing big money here, but you know, we will go to about 9,700 as retail traders will continue to push it up. But do beware as well, RSI, we are approaching overbought. So I would like to see a pullback back towards the 50-day EMA once we do hit the all-time high. So do be wary. I wouldn't be a huge buyer anywhere around here, because we are approaching a huge psychological number as well, which is that $10,000 mark. So do be wary.